everyone. I just wanted to do a quick review of what we've been working on in math this week. And this will actually help with homework tonight in case there's any questions. So we've been working on representing a 3-digit number in equivalent ways. So the total value is never going to change. We're just going to do some trading. So for example, in this number, we have 100, we have 2 10s, and we have 3 1s. So if I ask the students to show that number in an equivalent way or equal way, they can choose which blocks they'd like to trade. So one of the easiest ways to start is to take 100 and we're going to trade that over for 10 10s. So I'm going to go ahead and break that apart. So now that becomes 10 10s. And we have our original 2 10s, and then our 1s never changed. So instead of 100 now, we have 0 hundreds. And instead of just 2 10s, we have these 10 10s plus the 2 10s. So we now have 12 10s. And we still have 120 here. We're just not using the hundreds block. And then the 3 does not change. So the 3 stays the same. They've also been working on doing the same kind of trading, but with a tens block into the 1s. So they could show this number again in another equivalent way by taking a tens block and trading it for 10 1s. So we'll do that. Oopsies. There we go. So then we come back to here. We still have 0 100s. But for our 10s, we no longer have 12. We have 11 because we took one of them and regrouped it and traded it. And now instead of 3 1s, we have 10 plus 3, which is 13. And the most important thing to take away from this is that the total value of the number never changed. All we did was trade. So it's an equivalent representation. And you could do this many more times with trading more 10s and 10s and 10s. But so I hope that is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.